Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we are headed out into the mall. We did have the Diamond Turf 2s, the Deion Sanders joints that did drop on the sneakers app, and I'm not sure if they still sitting on there. Let me check. This is gonna be a sneaker that I didn't do a sit or sell out video for, but I do think that they're gonna be available in stores, man. I don't think they're gonna do as bad as the Emerald Diamond Turfs.
Nope.
I don't think they're gonna do that bad, but I do think, due to the fact of everything is dropping and just the way the new age sneakerheads, or I don't even know if I want to call them that, the way that they are, I don't think they're going to be messing with this sneaker. But let's check the sneakers out. All right, so as you guys can see, it is the Diamond Turfs right here, and it says launch ended. So I don't know if that means that they're on the Nike app or what, but let me check it out. All right, so here we go. We on the Nike app right here, as you guys can see, and I don't see them. Oh, I didn't know those were still on there. I don't see them anywhere on here. It could take a little bit of time because it is currently 10:22. So I mean, it still got some time for stuff to get on there. Them fresh water's still on there. They got sizes there. Oh, they got sizes of the fresh waters. Bigger sizes gone. You know what I'm saying? But hey, yeah, man, people just don't, I don't know, they just, this new generation, man, they ain't dealing with these Diamond Turfs, Deons, and Bo Jacksons and stuff like that. They just ain't messing with them. But I am messing with them, but I'm gonna mess with them at a discounted rate. You feel what I'm saying? So that's what we're doing. We're gonna go into the mall, and we're gonna see what's going on. So y'all stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, I would greatly appreciate it. Hey, let's go head off into this mall. Let's go.
They fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's the knowledge in your walk when you step on the scene. Technology, ain't no apology.
They are on the Nike app right now. They just moved them over there. And his sizes, man, his sizes available. I didn't think this was gonna be one that sold out. The bigger sizes, as you guys can see here, 10, 10.5, 11, 11.5, all the way up to size 13 are gone. But I'm gonna say that these will be restocking on there quite a bit. So if you are interested in this sneaker, and I'm pretty sure as we go into the stores, we're gonna be able to see some pairs. But let's go check it out. Let's go. Y'all see JD Sport, as you guys can see right here. There they go right there. I ain't even walked in there and seen them. Man, these joints so fire. Let's get up in here. Oh, they still got those joints there too, medium olive. So let's see what they got up in here. All right, y'all. So y'all see right here, Diamond Turf 2. Go off into your stores, man. These fire, bro. These fire, bro. Super clean shoe. Let's see what we got sitting around in here Jordan wise. We do have these joints still sitting in here. You know what I'm saying? We have the Flint 9s, the 9s still sitting in here. These right here, I don't know what these is, but we got these mids. If y'all interested in those. We have these Jordan 1s in here, and then we still got these, man. These just lingering around. They not going nowhere, bro. But they in here, bro. They in here. To me, the biggest sleeper shocker of 2025, Chicago, one of those still sitting up in here. These different. These different. Not sure what those are, but those different. What is that? Velvet? Nice material. Got some more ones right here. A little different. You know what I'm saying? These have been restocking like crazy, these Barclays, but they're sitting in stores. Boo-boo. Anthony Edwards right here, as you guys can see. Diamond Turf still in here. These joints in here, you know what I'm saying? Grippies still in here. So yeah, man, go out into your JD Sports, bro. They got a lot of stuff in store, man. Some deals and stuff as well, bro. So make sure y'all tap in to JD Sports. All right, y'all, so we do have the Diamond Turfs right here. I'm not gonna copy these today, but like I said, shout out to JD Sports. This one is a size 11.5. This is actually my size, bro. There go the size tag. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to legit check your pair. Set of OG box, you know what I'm saying? And then here are the shoes. Look like somebody tried these on, no lie, you know what I'm saying? But there we go right here. The Diamond Turf 2 Deion Sanders 49ers joint. Got the gold Nike on the back, field goal post. In the home plate right there. You know what I'm saying? Dual athlete. Super clean. This looks like it's pretty spot on with the OG, bro. Pretty spot on with the OG. Like if you look at this tongue right here, let me see. It should have. Y'all see right there? She got the 21 right there. We got 21 right there, which is his number with the red Nike swoosh. 11.5 stitched in the inside, which is super cool right there. I think the other one should be exactly the same. As you guys can see right here, nothing different. Nothing different. This one does pay homage to when he did go to the 49ers. I know a lot of people's confused about the Diamond Turf one. You got the gold right there. But this one is the one that he actually wore. I think he started his tenure with the 49ers with the Diamond Turf too. Bottom on it, iconic. I don't know how these are gonna do, bruh. I don't know how these are gonna do. I think they might do okay, just because I think people do actually kind of want the sneaker. But like I said, I think it's gonna be restocks, and this should be, it's not gonna be like the Emeralds. They should go under retail in my opinion. But y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Is this a sneaker that y'all messing with? Y'all like it? Y'all picked it up, or y'all just gonna wait? I know a lot of people did a lot of early drops on these, so people had them way sooner than what they should have. But like I said, material ain't bad. Shoe is pretty clean. But y'all let me know down in the comment section. All right, y'all, so that's a wrap. So we were able to see quite a bit of stuff that I'm gonna be giving you guys for an early look, but we were able to see the Diamond Turfs. And it was just kind of one of those things where I think if you go in the stores, that's gonna be a sneaker that's gonna be available for you guys to cop. So don't stress out about that, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, man, y'all know the sayings, man. Rock like that was hype. Remember everything we talk about, including these Diamond Turfs, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. Hey, I appreciate you guys tapping in as always. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.